Let's take a look now as we look at the light crude market, and we get into the first of the 5 markets we're going to look at. Again, we're looking at short-term analysis. The key things when we look at this is what we want to pay attention to is momentum. So this is the slim ribbon, which gives you the momentum indicator, and this is green. This is positive when all 3 of the moving averages are set up in a positive configuration. So it turned positive way back over here at about $29, and it rallied all the way up here to about $42. Really good. And when we look for confirmations using the projection oscillator, and when it gets oversold, it tells you that there are internal corrections going on, and you get buy signals. These are either signals to buy or to add, or just confirmations that the upward momentum is continuing. And you keep getting higher highs and bullish cycles. These are cycle brackets for those of you people that are new, and these are the way the cycles actually traded, and you could see the rhythm in the market. This is a swamped cycle. This is barely able to correct whatsoever, and then continues to move up. So we're 4 days into this new rally over here. We kind of think that for the next few weeks we're going to get a little more upside in here, and then we're going to move down. We've raised our upward target by just a few pennies, around $44 to 44 and a quarter up in here, and then there's an intermediate pattern that is suggestive of a bigger correction that we'll be looking for somewhere between $39 and $38. That is, we've raised that target in there based on the stronger patterns that we see in here. But short term, what we look for is some continued attempted upside in here and then moving down. The sum of the evidence is intermediate correction is likely. The whole sector really points, that's with gasoline /RB and /HO, to some correction coming down into this mid-September period. And that's, I think, the influence of both products and the light crude market is going to continue to give it some corrective problems over here. Now, getting out over here into September, it's going to set up a more positive scenario, and that might be when oil is able to get above this resistance level that we've been looking at right over here, which at this moment looks kind of formidable. So a little bit more upside in here, and then getting into the correction is what we're looking for in the light crude market.